The Gamma 2 Vittles Vault Dog Food Storage Container is a practical and efficient solution for storing and preserving your dog's food. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing reviews, I can confidently say that this product meets the highest standards of quality. Constructed with durable polyethylene material, this off-white storage container is designed to keep your dog's food fresh and secure. The material is not only reusable but also free from harmful BPA, ensuring the safety of your pet's food. One of the standout features of this container is its impressive 35-pound capacity. This generous size allows you to store a significant amount of dog food, reducing the need for frequent refills. Whether you have a small or large dog, this container is designed to accommodate their dietary needs. The Gamma 2 Vittles Vault also excels in its practicality. Equipped with a reliable airtight seal, it effectively keeps out moisture pests and contaminants that could.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.